In Tajikistan, more than 50% of the irrigated lands need machine irrigation due to the mountainous landscape of the country. The agricultural sector uses pumping stations for 90% of water resources and 10% of electricity from the total electricity consumption of the country. About 80% of agricultural products are produced on irrigated lands. Agriculture provides jobs to 70% of the population and contributes 20% to the country's GDP. But pumping stations built in 1950 to 70s have undergone significant wear and tear. There is no energy-saving equipment in the infrastructure, which increases the energy intensity of the economy. The end-user solvency and the high subsidies to the sector make the agricultural sector unprofitable. The European Union-funded project, Nexus Dialogue in Central Asia, implemented by CAREC in cooperation with the Laboratory of Innovative Solutions for the Water Sector of Central Asia under CAEP, supported implementation of a demo project in Tajikistan to improve the efficiency of pumping stations to ensure water energy food security, in particular through the digitalization of energy consumption meters by pumping stations, and the modernization of the Golodnostep pumping station in the Sud region.
Я думаю, что данный проект очень важен для Таджикистана. Почему? Потому что Таджикистан горная страна, 93% покрывает горы. И кроме того, взаимодействие воды, продовольствия, энергии, окружающей среды способствует достижению продовольственной безопасности, а также вопросам сельской занятости населения, а также развития ирригации.
The Danish pump manufacturing company Grundfos also contributed to the implementation of the demo project. As part of the project, all 173 electricity meters of pumping stations in Sud region were manually examined to determine their digitalization potential.
Experts have found that more than half of the meters need to be replaced and are not subject to digitalization.
At the same time, experts digitize the counters and map them to GPS, which will facilitate the work of technical specialists in the future. As a result, a concept and an investment proposal were developed to digitalize the electricity monitoring system for pumping stations in Sud region. On average, the introduction of an automated system for monitoring electricity consumption will save 1% of electricity consumption, or more than 9 million kilowatt-hours per year. According to preliminary calculations, the minimum option, the creation and implementation of an automated turnkey system, will cost more than $700,000, while the payback period will be 7 years. Since the Golodnostep pumping station plays a strategic role for the Zafarabad district of Sud region, from the Sirdarya River due to the absence of surface water sources in the district, and the presence of very limited groundwater reserves, experts have developed an investment proposal to replace all pumping units, including 6 units at Golodnostep Pumping Station 1, and 4 units at Golodnostep Pumping Station 2. The Grundfos company conducted the energy audit through PAMP thermography at the Farhad 2 and the Golodnostep pumping stations. The audit revealed that the pumping stations pump for about 40% less water, and consume more electricity for production of 1 cubic meter of water, than is provided for in their technical specifications. At the same time, the efficiency of the pumps decreased to 60%. The electricity savings can reach up to 37 to 40%, with the existing water supply by pumps. The demo project turned out to be very timely and corresponds to the priorities of the country. The authorized bodies present the developed investment proposals to potential investors, to attract financing for the implementation of the recommendations of the demo project.